Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. In this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can post someone's threads post on your story. So, let's get started. Watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to Technologyglance by hitting the subscribe button and press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update. Without further ado, let's get started. First of all, open the Threads app on your device. Now, tap on the arrow icon under the post you want to share. Next, you can find Add to Story option. Tap on it. Now, select the Your Story option. And that's it. This is how you can post a Threads post on your Instagram story. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we will love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get an update as soon as we post a video.